How are you? I need a favor. There is a girl whom I want you to stalk her. Morning, afternoon, evening, every minute of the day. This is her photo. Get started immediately.
This will cost you heavily, Sameer.
Let me go, sir! Let me go! Let me go, sir!
Sir, he'll die. Sir, he'll die.
Let me
Sir,
go!
he'll die.
Let it go! Raghu,
Yes, sir.
do you remember the farmhouse where Shikha got married?
Yes.
Go there and find out. We can't find Sameer's parents. But bring anybody you find. Just about anybody.
Yes.
Move.
He vented someone else's anger on him today.
Inspector Nayak? Yes, Inspector Nayak? Okay. I'll come to the police station right away.
Sameer gave me this vehicle to follow Shikha. Maybe I can find Sameer through this vehicle number. Not able to read the number. Excuse me.
Yes, tell me.
Do you know this man?
No, sir.
Look carefully. Concentrate.
He is the same man who tips generously whenever he comes. I can't remember, sir. Sorry. Sir, one moment. Sir, can you show me the photo again? Yes, sir. I have seen him. And he has been here before.
When? When did he come?
Sir, I don't remember the date. But he had come with some woman.
With her?
No, sir. Not her.
Do you remember her face? Can you tell me how she looks? Her complexion, her hair?
Yes, sir. I'll tell you. That's incredible, sir. She's the one.
But Inspector Nayak, Sameer's father told us that they had been staying in Nasik for 7 to 8 years.
He was lying. They came to Nashik only 6 months ago. Even that house wasn't theirs. They took that house on rent. During those 6 months, he met you, formed a relationship with you, got married, and left Nashik. It clearly implies that Sameer and his parents planned everything in advance and came here. And Miss Shikha, Sameer did not set up a company in Nashik. This office address in Nashik that you gave us, when we went there, we came to know Sameer never opened an office.
But Inspector, Sameer took me to his office himself. Sameer, how come that broker did not recognize you?
Because I deal with the owners, not the brokers.
And your Mumbai residence, that wasn't taken over by any company. Sameer took that on rent as well. He never signed any rent agreement. He gave both the owners so much money that they never said anything. And one more thing, Miss Shikha. The place that you got married, even that farmhouse wasn't Sameer's. It belongs to a government organization where mass weddings take place. Sameer rented that place for a few months.
Shikha, please don't cry.
Look, there's no need to be upset. That farmhouse was booked under the name Manjushri. We have found that person. And Raghu will be here with her any moment.
Sir, she's Manju. Hey, behave yourself.
Auntie?
Sir, I haven't done anything wrong. Why have I been brought here?
Auntie?
Shikha ma'am? How come you are here? And what happened to your face?
Do you know her?
Yes, Inspector. I call her aunt. She used to work at Sameer's place.
She's Manjushri. The farmhouse was booked under her name.
So you are involved as well?
No, ma'am.
Where is Sameer? Where is he? You know that, right?
I don't know.
I know you know where he is. Tell me where he has taken my son Manav. Tell me where is he? I know you know.
Shikha.
Please tell me where he is.
Shikha,
But Dad,
control
I
yourself.
know, I'm sure she knows everything.
I'm telling the truth. I don't know anything.
Don't be shocked. Tell us where Sameer is.
Sir, please believe me. How would I know of his whereabouts? After Sameer and Shikha got married and shifted to Mumbai, his parents fired me after that.
No need to lie. Tell me the truth or else you'll be in jail for the rest of your life.
Shikha ma'am, you know right? I'm not lying. I'm shocked after seeing your condition.
Auntie, you really don't know anything?
I really don't know anything. I swear on my child. A mother can never lie after swearing on her child. Sir, please believe me. Sir, I neither know where they are, nor do I know anything about the booking. I just came to know of the booking.
Okay, let's assume that you don't know anything. But you had been staying in their house for the last 6 months. I'm sure you can say something about them.
Yes, sir. I can.
What kind of people were they?
Sir, they were very nice to me. But sometimes they really behaved weirdly.
Like?
Like sometimes Samir used to behave so rudely with his parents that it was really difficult to understand if they were his parents or servants.
Have you both lost it? Just follow my instructions. Did you get it? If my plan gets ruined because of you two, I will teach you both a lesson. Just get this in mind. Aunt, you have brought tea. Keep it here. Yes.
What? With his own parents?
Yes. Sir, there was another unusual thing. Samir's parents used to sleep in separate rooms. Shikha ma'am, you noticed that, right?
Yes. Yes, Inspector. Even I noticed this. And when I spoke to Samir's dad about this, he just ignored it. I didn't think about this so seriously then.
Can you tell us more? Anything else about Samir?
Sir, he used to treat me very well. But at times I used to feel that something is wrong.
What do you mean?
Samir used to receive phone calls from someone. He used to discuss big deals on the call. Deals worth millions, sir. A girl used to call him up.
A girl?
She used to speak to him with authority, sir.
Where are you, Samir? I called you up so many times. I told you so many times not to delay in answering my calls.
Ma'am, I'm the maid. Samir sir is not here.
Pass the phone to Samir.
May I know who's speaking?
Don't question me. I don't have to tell you who I am.
Actually... Actually, sir, there's a call for you.
What's happening with me? I don't understand anything.
Did you read the caller's name on the phone?
Sir, I'm illiterate. How can I read that, sir?
Fine. You can leave. Do show up if you're called here next time.
Okay, sir.
What happened, Shikha?
Nothing's working out, Dad. We haven't found any evidence that can help us reach Samir. How do I find Manav? I have to find Samir and save my son from that monster. This guy has disappeared like he never existed.
You are right, Miss Shikha. Right now we don't have any evidence that can help us reach Samir. But in our police force there's a famous saying, no crime is ever perfect. A criminal definitely leaves behind a clue because of which he or she gets caught. And Samir is no different. Even he is a criminal. I'm sure he must have left behind some or the other kind of clue. But what it is, only you can tell us. Only you can help us. You have spent 2 years with that man. You were with him all along the day. Something must have happened. Miss Shikha, even a small clue can be a big help. I'm sure something would have appeared weird to you. Anything. It can be anything. It can be his behavior, belongings, something which was unlike him. Just think about it. We can find him. No matter where he is hiding, we can surely find him. Miss Shikha, think about it. Try to
I
recollect.
can't think of anything, Inspector. not once when we were together did Sameer misbehave with me. Everything was perfect. Our life was perfect. Sameer made our lives perfect. How could I ever suspect such a guy? At this point, all I know is Sameer Verma came into my life and betrayed me. He tried to kill me. And he took away my Manav from me. I don't know anything apart from this. I don't know anything.
Shikha, no dear. Stop crying. Don't lose hope. Get a hold of yourself. Stop crying. Stop crying. Everything will be fine. Inspector Nayak, don't put any more stress on her. It is of no use. Sameer was a cheat. What if his real name was not Sameer? Actually, we don't know anything about him.
Ma'am, according to our records, this watch belongs to Mr. Aditya Jagannath and not Mr. Sameer. You can check the records if you wish to.
Dad,
Yes?
Dad, let's go. Let's go home.
What is the matter?
Dad, just take me home. Let's go, Dad,
Okay.
please.
Give me a cup of tea. Delhi.
What happened, Shikha? What are you searching for? Tell me, Shikha. I can help you.
Mom, did you take out my stuff and keep it somewhere else?
No, dear. This bag is here ever since you have come.
What happened, Shikha? What are you searching for? Shikha, at least tell me, what are you looking for? I had taken out stuff from your bag and kept it in the cupboard.
In the cupboard?
Yes.
Aditya Jagannath. Aditya Jagannath. Aditya Jagannath. Aditya Jagannath.